Question number 1. The Hadoop component that controls CPU and memory resources is. Good job. Your answer yarn works well here. Question number 2. Choose the right advantage of 3x replication schema in Hadoop. Good thinking. All of the above is the right answer. Question number 3. Which component is not part of the main components of Hadoop? Great thinking. JIT is the right choice. Question number 4. What are the similarities between cloud computing and Hadoop? Valid point. Same purpose of data storage is true. Question number 5. Which technology is used to import and export data in Hadoop? Nice work. You chose C-scoop and it is correct. Question number 6. All of the following accurately describe Hadoop, except dash. Smart move. Real-time is an accurate answer. Question number 7. Which of the following is a common Hadoop maintenance issue? Exactly. Lack of configuration management makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 8. What is the main purpose of Cassandra in Hadoop integration? Perfect. Data integrity is the correct choice. Question number 9. How many formats of sequence file are present in Hadoop I/O? Right choice. 3 is the best answer. Question number 10. What is the main purpose of Hadoop distributed file system? You chose distributed data storage structure, and it is correct. Question number 11. Managing the resources we have in Hadoop ecosystem we use. You're right. Yarn is the correct answer. Question number 12. Moving data in and out of Hadoop is referred as data dash. Strong choice. Ingress and egress is the right answer. Question number 13. Hadoop ICO Hadoop comes with a set of dash for data ICO. Excellent. None of the mentioned is a brilliant choice. Question number 14. The source of HDF's architecture in Hadoop originated as. Smart pick. Google Distributed File System is the correct choice. Question number 15. What is the main focus of data serialization in Hadoop? Well done. Hadoop IGO is the right choice. Question number 16. Which of the following is an Hadoop streaming library? Bravo, Flume is the answer. Question number 17. By default, dash replication is made in Hadoop cluster. Nice selection. 3 is the correct and valid answer. Question number 18. What are the advantages of FDF's federation in Hadoop? You got it. Your choice, all the above, is right. Question number 19. Facebook tackles big data with dash based on Hadoop. Nicely done. Project Prism is a solid answer. Question number 20. Which technology is used for scaling out in Hadoop? Well reasoned. Hadoop streaming is the correct choice. Question number 21. What is the main focus of FDF's concepts in Hadoop? Clear logic. Your choice data integrity is sound and 100% true. Question number 22. What does commodity hardware in Hadoop world mean? Sharp thinking. Low specifications industry-grade hardware is the right choice. Question number 23. Default size of each block in Apache Hadoop 2x is. Great job, 128 MB is the accurate answer. Question number 24. What are the main components of Hadoop ecosystem? Right again. MapReduce etf's yarn is a valid answer. Question number 25 dash is the primary data storage system in Hadoop. Solid response. Stiefs is a valid choice. Question number 26. Which technology is used for data flow in Hadoop? Well picked. Hadoop pipes is the correct answer. Question number 27. The Google Cloud service to work with Hadoop is on track. Dataproc is the correct answer. Question number 28. Which of the following is not a NoSQL database? Excellent choice. SQL Server is the right answer. Question number 29. Which of the following is component of Hadoop? Correct response. All of the above is the most accurate answer. Question number 30. Which of these is not a type flavor of Hadoop? Correct. OSIF2 is the right answer. Question number 31. What are the common use cases for Hadoop Hive? Strong choice. Data warehousing, ad hoc querying, and analysis of large datasets is the right answer. Question number 32. In which all languages you can code in Hadoop? Well picked. All of the above is the correct answer. Question number 33. Which of the following are true about Hadoop? Great thinking. All of these is the right choice. Question number 34 dash has the world's largest Hadoop cluster. Smart move. Facebook is an accurate answer. Question number 35. What is the main focus of Hadoop streaming? Excellent. Data analysis is a brilliant choice. Question number 36. Hadoop divides data into many pieces called. Right choice. Splits is the best answer. Question number 37. How does Hadoop Hive handle large datasets? Right again. By using a distributed storage and processing framework is a valid answer. Question number 38. What is the purpose of Pig Latin language? Good thinking. Facilitate data analytics on Hadoop is the right answer. Question number 39. Hadoop slots above code would display what? Solid response. A list of directories in root directory of HDFs is a valid choice. Question number 40. What license is Hadoop distributed under? Excellent choice. Apache License 2.0 is the right answer. Question number 41. Hadoop 2x is based on Dash architecture. Exactly. Yarn makes sense, and it is right choice. Question number 42. Which type of data Hadoop can deal with? Nice selection. All of the above is the correct and valid answer. Question number 43. File size of HDFs is Dash in Hadoop 2.0. You're right. 128 MB is the correct answer. Question number 44. Commercial type tool for SQL in Hadoop. Correct response. Big SQL is the most accurate answer. Question number 45. Which is not a Hadoop cluster component? Valid point. Job node is true. Question number 46. What are the two components of Hadoop? Good job. Your answer Hadoop and MapReduce works well here. Question number 47. Hadoop consists of Dash core components. Perfect. 2 is the correct choice. Question number 48. During safe mode, Hadoop cluster is in. Nicely done. Read only is a solid answer. Question number 49. Where does the name Hadoop come from? Sharp thinking. In honor of cutting son's toy elephant is the right choice. Question number 50. Default size of Apache Hadoop is dash.
Nice work. You chose 64 MB and it is correct.
Question number 51. There is a benefit of Hadoop in skill. Bravo. Native Hadoop management with Apache Spark is the answer. Question number 52. What are the core Hadoop components?
Smart pick. Processing, resource management, storage is the correct choice.
Question number 53. Hadoop is used to process data dash.
Clear logic. Your choice structured, semi-structured and unstructured is sound and 100% true.
Question number 54. Hadoop is dash-based flat structure.
Well done. Node is the right choice.
Question number 55. What is the purpose of Hadoop Hive?
You got it. Your choice to provide data summarization, query, and analysis is right.
Question number 56. The Hadoop framework is written in.
Well reasoned. Java is the correct choice.
Question number 57. Hadoop data processing principles.
Great job. Disperse is the accurate answer.
Question number 58. What is Hadoop file system?
Correct. Distributed file system for Hadoop is the right answer.
Question number 59. How is data stored in Hadoop Hive?
You chose in a distributed file system such as HFTFs, and it is correct.
Question number 60. In what year did Hadoop originate?
On track. 2004 is the correct answer.
Question number 61. Joomla Node Hadoop Big Data Lake.
Nice work. You chose 627, and it is correct.
Question number 62. Processing engine on Hadoop named.
Correct. MapReduce is the right answer.
Question number 63. Name the storage tool in Hadoop.
Smart pick. HFTFs is the correct choice.
Question number 64. Apache Hadoop yarn stands for.
Great job. Yet another resource negotiator is the accurate answer.
Question number 65. What is the full form of HFTFs?
Nicely done. Hadoop Distributed File System is a solid answer.
Question number 66. Components of Hadoop are dash.
Valid point. All the above is true.
Question number 67. What is a metadata in Hadoop?
On track. Information about the data stored in data nodes is the correct answer.
Question number 68. What was Hadoop named after?
You chose the toy elephant of cutting sun. And it is correct.
Question number 69. Open source Hadoop SQL tool.
Right choice. Scoop is the best answer.
Question number 70. What was Hadoop written in?
You got it. Your choice, Java, is right.
Question number 71. Dash not a part of big data.
Excellent choice. C++ is the right answer.
Question number 72 indicates one Hadoop feature.
Good thinking. Data fault tolerance is the right answer.
Question number 73. What is Hadoop used for?
Well picked. All of the above ideas are correct is the correct answer.
Question number 74. Ways to configure Hadoop.
Right again. A local mode, pseudo-distribution mode, distributed mode is a valid answer.
Question number 75. Hadoop uses Hadoop dash.
Clear logic. Your choice monitoring is sound and 100% true.
Question number 76. Who created the Hadoop?
You're right. Doug Cutting is the correct answer.
Question number 77. Hadoop is part of Dash.
Nice selection. Apache is the correct and valid answer.
Question number 78. F stands for Dash.
Solid response. Hadoop distributed file system is a valid choice.
Question number 79. What does FDFs mean?
Perfect. Hadoop distributed file system is the correct choice.
Question number 80. Hadoop is a dash.
Good job. Your answer framework works well here.
Question number 81. How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Exactly. Contact Narayan Chengda makes sense and it is the right choice.